Martini. This is the dumbest thing you've had me do yet, Aaron. Let's just make the damn drink. Okay, here we are again. Mulligan's Bar Guide, 1001 Martinis. Alleged martinis. Let's see what we got here. Hang on, need my glasses again. Well, look at this. We got something called a Ginger Snap. Doesn't really sound like a martini to begin with, but actually it sounds kind of delightful. Maybe not a martini, but let's make it. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to rim our glass with a little ground ginger. I mean, it is a ginger snap, after all. I'm just going to scour the lip of this glass with a little bit of fresh lemon, and we're just going to dip in, yeah. Nice. Okay, get rid of that, clean up our mess, and begin. Okay, we're going to swap this for this, and we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of vodka. Vodka. I've got so many vodkas. Here's one. Georgian Bay vodka. Why not? 1.5 ounces in our shaker. And we're going to follow that up with some ginger liqueur, Domaine de Canton. And we don't want a lot. We want like 1/4 ounce, okay? That's about it, right there. 7.5 mil, right? Gonna add some ice. All right, we're gonna pop a lid on. We're gonna shake this.
Gingerly.
We're gonna shake this gingerly. That's not how you shake. You wanna wake it up, right? You just bit into a piece of ginger and went, woo! Yeah, that's good enough. So what we're gonna do is we're going to just fine strain this into our martini glass, our prepped martini glass. And we're going to top it with some chilled ginger ale. Yeah, that sounds like a martini to me. All we want is like 1 ounce. There it is. Ta-da! And we're gonna garnish with a little candied ginger and an orange rind. Should we throw it in the glass? Sure, why not? At least this one looks more like a martini. I'm not sure about the rim. I don't know, man. Oh, has a lovely smell. Yeah, it does. Should we give it a go?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh. Ginger. Well, that's got a nice little nip. It really does. Believe it or not, it actually presents itself more martini style than what we've done so far. I wouldn't have thought so with the ginger ale, but this is actually quite a nice little, lovely. I'm pleasantly surprised, actually.
But is it a martini?
That's what I'm wondering. Probably not. But it's damn fine. That's all I'm gonna say. And you get to eat these little wonderful ginger chews. That's nice.